Hey guys, Stan Dale, president of Florida SunCoast BMW. Here we are finally on the Florida SunCoast Mountain Drive 3.0. We started out this morning at the Performance Center down in Spartanburg, Greer, and had one marvelous day. In fact, I got cold chills all over. We ran the tracks like unreal. 30 of our folks enjoyed a full day at the track. And then we had an amazing 3-hour drive up the mountains to get here to Maggie Valley. And here we are, and we're gonna be in some really tons of fun, driving back roads and the tail of the dragon and some amazing dinners and concerts and everything. And you should plug in, and if you want to, go to our website, go to the October calendar and sign up for Mountain Drive 4.0 coming up this October. You gotta come and be a part of this. It is absolutely special. Take a look at our calendar down below, all the events that we have listed. I'm not gonna go through them tonight, but just an amazing group of things coming up. June 14th, let me point out something. I'll jump ahead on the calendar. Gainesville, Jacksonville, in Ocala, doing a joint get together and drive and dine. You got to go see that. All the folks in the upper part of the state, jump on that. Everybody from the Jacksonville group, everybody from Gainesville and Ocala, joining together to have a ton of fun and share the upper roads of Florida. And then I'll jump ahead in July. We're going to be back up in that neighborhood for the Burmos car collection. Jeff Cunningham's putting on that drive, and we're going to take a group of people up to Jacksonville, down to St. Augustine, and have a blast. So don't forget, June 14th, July 18th, go ahead and sign up for those events. You better get in, it's gonna get crowded. Until then, we are gonna say, everybody's going to dinner tonight, so that's awesome. Until then, what we normally say is, get off the sofa, come on, let's play. That's what this is all about. Having a great time with our BMWs and fellowship with all of our members. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See ya, bye now.